Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix slowdown. You have reached your limit of friend requests for now. Try in a few days. So if you are trying to send too many friend requests on Snapchat at the same time, and after that you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting in time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after checking for Wi-Fi internet connection, you have to make sure that you have restarted your Wi-Fi router. And after restarting your Wi-Fi router, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Snapchat. For this, you have to simply search for the Snapchat here. And after searching for the Snapchat, you have to simply check it is not showing any kind of update, and it is showing any kind of update. Then you have to simply update the Snapchat, and after that you have to simply go to Snapchat here, and after that you have to try to add friends on your Snapchat by in quick add. And after that, if you see this kind of error again, then you have to wait for some days, for 48 hours or 72 hours, so that you can simply add new friends on Snapchat. But if you do not want to wait, then you have to simply try to create a new account on Snapchat, and after that you will be able to send as many friend requests on new account, because Snapchat have limits to send friend requests on Snapchat. So if your limit has gone, then it will be very difficult for you to send new friend requests. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.